Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Filecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Filecoin chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which I have highlighted here on the chart using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $5.89 mark. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3, and to also confirm the impulsive nature in the formation of this wave 3, at the time of this recording we are holding above the wave 1 high, which is enough confirmation that we have some impulsiveness in the formation of this wave 3, and there are high chances that we might continue gearing up until we fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that wave 3. Here on the 1 hour chart, I also have a chart pattern that has been in formation that has been well respected, which is this ascending channel, where we have the chances of seeing a breakout to the upper side before we can see a retest, and that move will also help us fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that wave 3. And for that move to also play out, we need to continue holding within this channel. So in case we continue seeing further breakdown, I expect the channel to continue holding, give us a bounce once we touch the lower side of the channel. In case such a move plays out, then bounce back and see the breakout to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis, to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a target area in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $6.456 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Filecoin to do here on the short-term scenarios. So in case we see a recovery from the breakdown that we are seeing at the moment, there are high chances that we are going to see the breakout out of the channel to the upside and also fully maximize our minimum target area. And since we are holding above the wave 1 high, I don't have any doubts in the formation of this wave 3, and I know it's going to finally play out and fully maximize our target areas. And once we see the formation of that wave 3, then we can expect a wave 4 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And once we complete the formation of that wave 5, that will be completing an even larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side, which is now giving me the long-term scenarios, where you can first see that after seeing our low on the 23rd of March, we started this 5 wave structure to the upside in a move that gave us a high at around the $7.5 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that bottomed out within this blue target area. And having seen the low for this second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And as a result of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I also expected to see a 5 wave structure in formation, and that's the reason as to why I have this Elliot wave structure right here in red, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3 before we can see a wave 4, then a wave 5 to complete the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.